Okay. Now I'm going to start third question. Once all of you see third question, that question is prove that three times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times the square of the altitude. Prove that in a equilateral triangle. What is mean by equilateral triangle?
All three sides
In a
are equal.
triangle,
In a
all the
triangle.
three sides are equal, sir.
In a triangle, all three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Then what is mean by altitude?
The height of the triangle.
Very good. The height of the triangle is called altitude. Then our question is prove that three times the square of any one side of a equilateral triangle. 3 times means 3 into square of any one side of a equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times. 4 times is nothing but 4 into the square of altitude is nothing but 4 times altitude square. 3 times of side square, any one side of a equilateral triangle. So is nothing but 3 times into side square. 3 into side square equal to 4 into altitude square. And prove. So take one triangle, equilateral triangle. Take one equilateral triangle. This is one equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. A, B, C is the equilateral triangle. Let us consider each side of a equilateral triangle equal to 2A units. 2A. Then BC also how many units, Amma? 2A or A units? A units, A units and A units. Why? Because each side of a equilateral triangle is A. Why? Because all sides are equal. If one side is 10 centimeters, then another two sides also 10 centimeters only. Okay, now let us consider AB equal to A. That's why remaining two sides also A and A units only. Now draw one altitude. Altitude means exactly perpendicular bisector. Exactly perpendicular bisector. Here AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude. Altitude is nothing but height of your triangle H. Then this total BC also divided into two equal parts. Here B to D equal to A by 2. Similarly D to C also A by 2. Total side is A. So here BD is half of the A. DC also half of the A. A by 2 plus A by 2 total A only. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear, this diagram?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So our proof is what here? RTP required to prove that RTP 3 times 3 times of square of any one side of a equilateral triangle. 3 times of any one side, AB or BC or AC. I am taking here AB. AB equal to how many means A? 3 times of A square equal to 4 times of altitude square. Altitude equal to what here? Altitude equal to H. 4H square. 3A square equal to 4H square. 3 times of square of any one side of a equilateral triangle. 3 times of side of the equilateral triangle is A. 3 into A square equal to 4 times of altitude square. 4 into H square. So 3A square equal to 4H square. And prove challenge. This is RTP of the given problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write down, given that question number 3, given that ABC triangle ABC is on triangle ABC is on equilateral triangle. ABC is on equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That's why let us consider the three sides AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to, I am taking here A units. AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to, let us consider A units. Then prove that RPP required to prove. Then prove that 3A square equal to 4H square. 3A square equal to 4H square. 3A square equal to 4H square. So this is required proof. Then prove that answer. Proof equal to. So from this total equilateral triangle, this total equilateral triangle with respect to the altitude divided into two right angles. Two right angle triangles. So the first right angle triangle is ABD and second right angle triangle is ACD. Here we get two right angle triangles. From these two right angle triangles, take any one right angle triangle, then apply Pythagoras theorem. Take any one triangle, ABD or ACD. Take from these two triangles any one right angle triangle. Acheppanamma ఏ triangle తీసుకుందాం? Your wish.
Triangle
ABD,
ABD. ABD, sir.
In triangle ABD, then apply Pythagoras theorem.
AB
AB square is equal to
AD square plus BD square.
AD square plus
AB
BD
square equal to right angle opposite side. Right angle opposite side hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to base. BD square
BD square plus AD square,
plus
sir.
AD square. Since Pythagoras theorem. Since Pythagoras theorem. Here AB equal to how many units? A square equal to BD equal to A by 2 whole square plus AD equal to H square. Is it clear this step? AB equal to A units A
Yes, sir.
square equal to BD equal to A by 2 whole square plus AD equal to H square. Now A square equal to A square by 2 square is nothing but A square by 4 plus H square. A square by 4 plus H square. A square by 2 square. 2 square value is 4. Now this plus A square by 4 becomes on left hand side. Plus A square by 4 becomes on left hand side minus A square by 4. That's why this can be written as A square minus A square by 4. This plus A square by 4 becomes on left hand side, moves to left hand side.
Minus.
This quantity becomes minus equal to right hand side we have only H square equal to H square. Then do simplification or then take LCM 4 into A square, 4A square minus A square by 4. Is it right? 4 into A square, 4A square minus A square divided by 4. If you take LCM, so LCM of these two terms is 4. 4 into A square, 4A square minus 1 into A square equal to H square. 4A square minus 1A square, 3A square by 4 equal to H square. Now this division becomes right hand side multiplication. That's why 3A square equal to 4 into H square, 4H square. This is the required proof. 3 times of square of any one side of a equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times of altitude square. 4 times of altitude square. Is it clear this answer?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Come on, write fast.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సేమ్ ఇక్కడ మా స్కూల్లో కూడా సేమ్ చాప్టర్ చెప్తున్నామా, అందుకే ఇక్కడ మా స్కూల్లో బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం కాన్సెప్ట్ జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. అందుకే సమ్ టైమ్స్ బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం అని పోతుంది, ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు పైథాగరస్ థీరం కాన్సెప్ట్ వరకు వచ్చింది. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ స్కూల్ సో ఐ ఆమ్ ఇన్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెంబర్ 1. సో దట్స్ వై లిటిల్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అవుతుంది. సమ్ టైమ్ బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం అంటున్నా, సమ్ టైమ్స్ పైథాగరస్ థీరం అంటున్నా, ఓకేనా. బట్ యువర్ టాపిక్ is belongs to Pythagoras theorem. Keep in your mind. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Done, sir.
Okay, amma. So next question. అమ్మా ఒక్కటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎప్పుడైనా ఇన్ దిస్ చాప్టర్, ఈ చాప్టర్ లో చూడండి అమ్మా, వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 3 కాన్సెప్ట్స్. దట్ 3 కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆర్ బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం అండ్ సిమిలారిటీ ఆఫ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ పైథాగరస్ థీరం. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కాన్సెప్ట్, if it is right angle triangle concept, then apply Pythagoras theorem. Is nothing but right angle triangle means that problem is belongs to Pythagoras theorem. You should identify the given question is belongs to basic proportionality theorem or similarity of triangles or Pythagoras theorem. మీరు గనక ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ అని అర్థం చేసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేశారనుకోండి, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అమ్మా. హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఈజీగా. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇలా ఇచ్చాడమ్మా, ఫైండ్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అన్నాడు. A, B, C, D, E. This is X, 5, 10, 20. How to calculate the value of X?
By basic proportionality theorem.
By using basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Is it right? Is it
Yes,
right?
sir.
In case here this is at 2.4, 2, this is X, this is 10. Then find the value of X. This question is belongs to which concept?
So converse of basic proportionality. So you're muted, sir. Hello, sir.
Your mic is muted, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this question is belongs to similarity of similar triangles. Why? Because in basic proportionality theorem, DE by BC. Basic proportionality theorem, there is no corresponding side DE by BC. In similarity of similar triangles concept, take triangle ADE and ABC, right? Prove that the two triangles are similar. Then write corresponding sides. From that corresponding sides, you can find the value of X easily. In case the given triangle is right angle triangle, in the given triangle is right angle triangle, that question is 100% belongs to Pythagoras theorem concept. First, Pythagoras theorem and teliste అందులో ఎన్ని right angle triangles ఉంటాయో అన్ని times Pythagoras theorem apply చేయాలమ్మా. That's all. చేశారు first question, second question, third question. First question, second question, third question. In first question, second question, third question. So in first question, I think 4 right angle triangles are there. We applied 4 times Pythagoras theorem. In second question also 4 right angle triangles are there. We applied 4 times Pythagoras theorem. In third question 2 right angle triangles are there. Take any one right angle triangle, then apply Pythagoras theorem, then you will get the answer. Next question also same. That next question is very important question. Chala important question. Keep star marks. 5-star question. This is 5-star question. Very important question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Very important question. That question is triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the point P. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the point P. Right angle at the point P. And M is a point. M is a point on QR. M is a point on the hypotenuse such that PM is perpendicular to QR, so that PM square equal to QM into MR. PM square equal to QM into MR. Very important question. PM square equal to QM into MR and QL. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Draw one right angle triangle PQR. This is one right angle triangle PQR. Right angle is at the point P. So this is Q and another one is R. PQR is a right angle triangle. And take one point M. M is a point on the side QR. M is a point on the hypotenuse. This is the M. Now join P and M. PM is exactly perpendicular to QR. PM is exactly perpendicular to QR. Then prove that PM square equal to QM into MR. This is the given question. Is it clear, that question? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the point P. And take one point M. M is a point on the side QR. If you join P and M, this PM is exactly perpendicular to QR. Then prove that PM square equal to QM into MR. Then prove that PM square equal to QM into MR. Is it right? So in this right angle triangle PQR also divided into how many right angle triangles?
2 right
How many
angle
right
triangles.
angle triangles
Two,
are
sir.
there? 2 right angle triangles are there, right? So that first right angle triangle is what here?
Triangle PMQ.
PMR.
PMQ and PMR. 2 right angle triangles are there. Here one more big triangle also there. PQR is a right angle triangle. So total here we have 3 right angle triangles. Then apply 3 times Pythagoras theorem. Half of the problem completed. If it is 8 marks question, so if you apply for these 3 triangles 3 times Pythagoras theorem, you will get 3 marks, minimum 3 marks. Okay, now, so write down given condition, given that question number 4, this is very important question. Given that triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle at point P. At point P. And also given that PM is perpendicular. PM is perpendicular to QR. Then prove that RPP. Then prove that PM square equal to QM into MR. PM square equal to QM into MR. This is RTP. Now, proof. In triangle PQR, take big triangle. In triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at the point P. Then apply Pythagoras theorem. Hello.
QR square is equals to PQ
Ah.
square plus PR square, sir.
QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. Let us consider this is equation number 1 since Pythagoras theorem. Since Pythagoras theorem. Next, take second triangle. Sorry, first small right angle triangle. What is the first small right angle triangle? PMR. In triangle PMR, right angle is at point M. Then apply Pythagoras theorem. Right angle opposite side is called hypotenuse. That's why PR square equal to PR square equal to
plus MR square, sir.
PM square plus MR square. This is equation number 2 since Pythagoras theorem. Next, second small right angle triangle. In triangle PMQ. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So here angle M is the right angle. Right angle opposite side is called hypotenuse. PQ square equal to PQ square equal to
is equals to MQ square plus MP square, sir.
PM square plus MQ square. So this is equation number 3 since Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Up to equation number 3. Do you have any doubt? Do you
No,
have any
sir.
doubt? In triangle PQR, apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PMR, apply Pythagoras theorem. And triangle PMQ, apply Pythagoras theorem. Is any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, see here, PR square equal to PM square plus MR square. PQ square equal to PM square plus MQ square. Here, total big triangle, in big triangle, QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. In this PQ square place, substitute PQ square equal to what here? PM square plus MQ square. And in place of PR square, substitute PR square equal to PM square plus MR square. Is nothing but substitute equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. Substitute equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Then substitute equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. Substitute QR square equal to PQ square equal to PM square plus MQ square plus PR square and PM square plus MR square. Is it clear this step? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just in place of PQ square, substitute PQ square value, PM square plus MQ square. Next, in place of PR square, substitute PR square value is PM square plus MR square. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now QR square equal to PM square plus PM square 2 PM square plus MQ square plus MR square. MQ square plus MR square. Is it clear this step? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now QR square and M writes QM plus MR writes MQ plus MR. రాయచ్చా QR ఈ QR అంటే ఏం రాయొచ్చు QR అంటే ఇదే కదా ఫ్రమ్ ది ఫిగర్ QM ప్లస్ MR రాసుకోవచ్చా
Yes, sir.
అదే రాస్తున్నాం ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ QR రైట్ MQ
Sir.
ఫస్ట్ సైడ్ ప్లస్ MR whole square. In place of QR means QR equal to MQ plus MR whole square equal to right side right as it is 2 PM square plus MQ square plus MR square. MQ square plus MR square. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole square. Then tell me A plus B whole square formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. Is it right? A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square means MQ square plus B square means MR square plus 2AB 2MQ into MR 2A MQ B MR equal to 2 PM square plus MQ square plus MR square. MQ square gets cancelled. MR square gets cancelled. The remaining terms are 2 PM square equal to 2 into MQ into MR. 2 also gets cancelled. PM square equal to MQ or QM. Both are same only. QM into MR. This is the required proof. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I
Yes,
explain
sir.
one more time?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
One see here. I think up to equation number 3 is clear. I'm thinking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on. So here equation number 1 is in triangle PQR, big triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is PR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square and adjacent square. This is equation number 1. In second triangle, PMR triangle, here right angle is at point M. Right angle is at point M. Right angle opposite side is called hypotenuse. PR square equal to PM square plus MR square. That is equation number 2. Coming to equation number 3, in triangle PQM, M is the right angle opposite side is PQ. PQ square equal to QM square plus MP square. This is equation number 3. From this equation number 1, 2, 3, here PR square. This PR square substitute in equation number 1. PQ square value also substitute in equation number 1. That's why substitute equation number 2 and 3. These two values in equation number 1. In place of PQ square and PM square plus MQ square. Is it right? That's why in place of PQ square, substitute PQ square value. In place of PR square, substitute PR square value. Then substitute QR square, equation number 1, QR square equal to PQ square. What is the value of PQ square?
PM
What is the
square
value
plus
of
MQ
PQ
square.
PM square plus MQ square plus PR square. What is the value of PR square?
PM square plus MR square, sir.
PM square plus MR square. Now QR square equal to PM square plus PM square 2 PM square plus MQ square plus MR square. Right, as it is. Is it clear? Next step. This next step is very, very important. This QR can be written as this QR. Total QR can be written as QM plus MR. Is it right? QR total side. QR total side can be written as QM plus MR or MQ plus MR. Is it right? In place of QR can be written as QM into or MQ into MR. MQ into MR. Whole square. Is it clear this step? Is
Yes,
it clear? Now equal to right hand side, write as it is. 2 pm square plus mq square plus mr square. mq square plus mr square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means mq square plus b square means mr square plus 2ab, 2 into a means mq, b means mr. 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to right hand side, write as it is. 2 pm square plus mq square plus mr square. Here mq square left side, right side, both are gets cancelled. mr square left side, right side, both are gets cancelled. Remaining terms are 2mq mr equal to 2 pm square is nothing but 2 pm square equal to 2mq into mr. 2 also gets cancelled. Pm square equal to mq or qm. QM మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో MQ కాకుండా QM అన్నాడు కాబట్టి QM into MR. This is our required proof. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, so clear, sir.
Take screenshot. సో ఇదే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఇంకొక మెథడ్ లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. మీరు పైథాగరస్ థీరం చేశారు కదా. Take big triangle and first small triangle, take big triangle and second small triangle. Apply similarities, write corresponding sides, then you will get the answer. ఆ మోడల్ లో కూడా చేసుకుని రండి, రేపు చూద్దాం. ఇదొక మెథడ్, పైథాగరస్ థీరం అప్లై చేసి చేయొచ్చు. సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని మనం సిమిలారిటీస్ అప్లై చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఆ సిమిలారిటీస్ అప్లై చేసి చేస్తారా, మీరు ట్రై చేస్తారా? మనం పైథాగరస్ థీరం ప్రూఫ్ చేసాం, ఐడియా ఉందా? బిగ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకున్నాం, స్మాల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. Prove that the two triangles are similar, write corresponding side, then do cross multiplication. Then after, take big triangle and small triangle, then do cross multiplication. Write similar corresponding side, then do cross multiplication. You will get one more condition. Chesam gurtunda? Similarities. ఆ మోడల్ లో కూడా ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. Take screenshot. Last 1 minute time. So in this total question, the logical point is this QR. In place of QR, you should take QM plus MR. అది ఒక్కటే మర్చిపోతారు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాజికల్ పాయింట్. ఈ QR ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రాయాలి? MQ plus MR అని రాయాలి. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే QR is total side, right? QM plus MR. QM plus MR. Is it clear?